So let's continue. Now, since we are talking about students, it can be one student, it can be two students, but the general name for student is student. That is why you are saying class student. Then we are going to create our method. Anytime you are creating an object, the first method you need to create that is very important is init method. So after you create your class, you create init method. And this init method will allow you to pass all those attributes that you want, since we said those students with name and age. So that's why we are seeing name and age. And this self allows you to work with them. So this self to support will be there. It must be there. So you say def init self those attributes and name and age. So you see it, parameter self at student. Then the name and age, they are those parameters of any. So you can put any parameters. So, and this place now, it allows us, this particular self now allows us to save those objects. So we are saving those things inside an object called name and age. Then what to do again? Since we are talking about one student, we can now continue by referring to that student. So let's say student 1. Student 1 equal to, what do I call the class? The class is student, so I will call the name of the class. What I'm trying to do now is that I want to create an object of one student. If you know the name, you can put, but I don't know the name. So it's assuming that we don't know the name. So that's why we are storing it under student. We are creating one object. So we will call the class name, that's student. You pass in their attributes. In this student 1, the name of the student 1, because if you notice, we pass name and age. The name of